Hello, de saluta mal tiempo report. En este informe hablo en español. Y después in English. English is a language, yes. If my computer can hold on long enough and not crash again. Let's see, shall we? Entonces hay una nueva depresión tropical. Depresión tropical 7E. Esta depresión, se prevé que esta depresión convertirse en el futuro Gil, Hurricane Gil, Hurricane Gil, aquí, Hurricane, sí, categoría 1 o algo así. Y aquí por Hawaii hay una ex tormenta tropical Flossie. Flossie a convertirse en un post-tropical, ciclón post-tropical o algo así. Y ha debilitado. Pero inundaciones repentinas todavía son posibles. Son posibles. Sí, en Hawaii. Es la verdad. Y por aquí hay una zona de probabilidad, pero en el momento 10% baja. Y aquí hay una zona de probabilidad asociado con los remanentes de Dorian, pero muy, muy baja. Cerca de 0%, es la verdad. Y aquí, en el noroeste pacífico, hay una zona de probabilidad o una depresión tropical. No sé. El JTWC creo que esta zona de mal tiempo es una zona de probabilidad mediana, pero el JMA creo que esta zona de mal tiempo es una depresión tropical y una depresión tropical con el pronóstico que estará un tormenta tropical. Y creo que el próximo nombre es Jebi. Es una palabra coreana por un pájaro. Creo que. No sé. Entonces, es todo para hoy. Creo que. Espero que algo así. En inglés ahora. So yes. So we've got this thing again where we've got the JTWC still calling this a medium chance of tropical cyclone formation, whereas the JMA is actually calling this a unnamed tropical depression that they believe is going to be a tropical storm soon-ish. And if it does get to tropical storm status, it will be Jebi, J-E-B-I, which is a Korean word for some sort of bird, a swallow, I think. But, you know, it happened actually in this same area a couple weeks ago or so, where we had a similar situation where the JMA was calling it a tropical depression that they thought would become a tropical storm, whereas the JMA was saying it was a medium chance of tropical cyclone formation, and it never did officially become a tropical storm. So, will that same fate befall this area or what not? I have no idea. And then here, I think we're probably going to be saying goodbye to the remnants of Dorian. It's a near 0% chance of tropical cyclone formation, so probably not going to happen anytime soon. 10% chance, at least as of the moment, on this area. This new one, Tropical Depression 7E, predicted to become a tropical storm soon. And then it will be Gil. I think that's the G-I-L, the next, how it's pronounced. And it's predicted to become a hurricane. And I think this is about where Flossie started. So could we see a repeat of Flossie where it heads to Hawaii for vacation? I have no idea. And then, of course, Flossie now is a post-tropical cyclone. But there are still flash flood watches. Yes, flash flood watches in effect for parts of the island. So, obviously, if you're there, hopefully you're paying attention and staying safe or something of the sort. In severe thunderstorm weather-wise today, yes, we've got 15% chance of winds, 15% chance of hail, 5% chance of a tornado. One watch in effect as of the time I loaded the page for we got Nebraska and South Dakota till 10 p.m. Mountain Time. Only one warning in effect as of the time I loaded the warnings page. South Dakota, 2:45 Mountain Time. Expression on that one. In general today, we're looking at the wind map showing the probability of winds 58 miles per hour greater, so 15% chance, 5% chance over there. Here's the map showing the probability of hail, 1 inch or larger, so just this area is under the threat for hail. Tornado-wise, it is as high as 5% today, but luckily it's a fairly small-ish area. So, yes, 5% for South Dakota, and then a 2% covering a few more states around it. Tomorrow, also a 15% day, where here's your biggest threat, and then the 5%, but 5% back there in the Pacific Northwest, and 5% down there in the Southeast. Yes, and Wicked Wicks. Yes, this site. This site will probably be dead tomorrow. Oh, speaking of dead things, there's a dead thing. This site will probably be dead tomorrow because I'm going to be moving it or something. So it probably won't work right. It'll probably be dead, yes. But I just bring that up randomly. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. Wicked Wicks is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane needs to be refreshed. There we go. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. Let's go turn on a satellite view. Let's see if we can get it to crash again. There you go. That is 7E, the future Hurricane Gil out in the Eastern Pacific. So that is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.